Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create a S3 backup and restore job in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Before creating a S3 backup job, you need to first add the object storage to Vinchin Backup and Recovery and get the object storage licensed for backup. Just click Resources, Object Storage. Click Add. Select Vendor for object storage. The service endpoint field is optional. Enter the username, password, and assign a name to your object storage. Click OK. Click License to finish configuration. Go to S3 Backup. Click Backup. Select a target object storage, and select the files or folders you want to back up. Select a backup node to run this backup job. Configure the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. Also, there are other useful strategies like data compression and data encryption. And you can set up retention policy, transmission strategy, and choose advanced strategies according to your needs. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. Now the backup job is complete. To restore files from S3 Backup Restore Points, please go to S3 Backup Restore page. Select the desired files or folders from the Restore Source column. Specify the restore destination. Select Strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now it's finished. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.